Starting around the 7th of May 2023, torrential slide most certainly is exchanging at $16.60 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.01% in sort of most recent 60-minute, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Avax for the most part has a sort of complete market cap of $5,486,165,293 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $102,448,509. Truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking, this truly makes torrential slide truly positioning at 16 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide by and large be most certainly worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is torrential slide a kind of wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Will Avax cost essentially outperform its untouched high? These for the most part are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost generally is supposed to especially cross a sort of normal value level of $21.85. The normal truly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the very current year ought to truly be $21.16 in a really significant manner. Besides, Avax can sort of arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $24.71 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value gauge May 2023. The torrential slide value for May 2023 may generally arrive at an extremely least worth of $16.40, while the sort of greatest estimated cost really is around $18.45, or so they explicitly thought. The kind of typical cost for a Avax especially is really anticipated to reach $17.94 in May 2023 in a sort of enormous way. Torrential slide value figure June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of torrential slide in a real sense is really anticipated to especially arrive at an especially normal cost of $18.30, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limited $19.35 and a very least of $17.61, or so they explicitly thought. Torrential slide value expectation July 2023. Concerning July 2023, torrential slide cost in every practical sense is estimate to basically arrive at an essentially the most minimal cost of $17.99 in an unpretentious manner. The Avax cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $20.08, with the truly normal expected cost around $18.85, which explicitly is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation August 2023. Torrential slide cost fundamentally is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach between $18.92 to $20.83 in August 2023, while the typical cost of a Avax for the August generally remains around $19.60. Torrential slide value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for torrential slide could for the most part stretch around $21.81 in an especially large manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of a Avax in September 2023 truly is $19.33, with a typical cost of $20.19, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avax value figure October 2023. With respect to October 2023, torrential slide in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a really least value worth of $19.91, which in a real sense is very huge. The Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $22.82, with the typical cost around $20.59, which truly is very critical. Avax value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of torrential slide especially is determined to in every way that really matters be at around an especially least worth of $20.36, or so they generally thought. The torrential slide value worth can generally arrive at an exceptionally limit of $23.65, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $21.21 in USD in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of torrential slide sort of is supposed to generally be at around an especially least of $21.16 in an especially enormous manner. Torrential slide cost can especially arrive at an extremely limit of $24.71, with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $21.85 in USD, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide commonly past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been somewhat diminished by 2.35% in its sort of current worth in a really significant manner. In the event that we sort of look at the really current market cap of the AVAX with yesterday, you can essentially see that the market cap especially is likewise down in an especially large manner. Torrential Slide fundamentally is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which truly is very critical. The AVAX essentially is down to nearly 4.64% in the especially most recent 7 days in a genuinely large manner. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past truly couple of days. The coin could sort of have in every practical sense solid essentials yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which fundamentally is very critical. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX for the most part diminished by 6.497%, killing an astounding genuinely normal amount of $1.15 from its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good essentially purchase an open door for fast venture, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 0.91%, and the cost coursed from a by and large least truly normal cost of $16.06 to most extreme kind of normal cost of $17.33 in the essentially beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In kind of most recent 4 months, Torrential Slide generally has shown a developing pattern, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In this manner, we especially feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, or so they explicitly thought. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Torrential Slide sort of is expanded from 4 months, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin basically is up by 29.44% with the very most extreme in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $12, and the base pretty typical cost of by and large was around $11.53 in beautiful beyond 4 months. In every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential Slide Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Torrential Slide really worth in 2023, or so they sort of thought. The AVAX cost for the most part is determined to sort of arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $24.71 with kind of least cost of $21.16 toward the finish of 2023. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Torrential Slides basically have a future in a very significant manner. As far as value, Torrential Slide generally has an exceptional pretty potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner certainly. It especially is conjecture that a VAX will increment in esteem, which especially shows that this unexpected down basically implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a kind of good in a real sense purchase a potential open door for especially speedy speculation, really in spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by lovely explicit specialists and business experts. Torrential Slide can in every practical sense hit the most exorbitant cost of $765.44 till 2030. Is Torrential Slide exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023?